morning, dears. We were learning how to get the square root using long division method. We have done question number 2, where we had to find the square root using long division method from exercise 3.3. Now let us start question number 3. Here it says find the least number that must be subtracted from each number to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of a perfect square. So obtained. Now we have given certain numbers, but those numbers are not perfect square. So what should be subtracted from those numbers to make it a perfect square, that we need to find here, is it? So let us begin question number 3. Question number 3.1. The number is given 700. So we'll find the square root of 700 using long division method. Here you have to, compulsorily you have to use long division method here. 7. Now we have to get a square number which should be less than 7. So that is 2 2s are 4. 3 is remainder, then this double 0 is coming down. Double of 4. 2 is 4. Now 4 6 are 24. So we'll put 6 here. So this is the remainder, is it? So we'll be writing least number must be subtracted from 700 to make it perfect square is 24. Now obtain square, number is 700 minus 24, that gives you 676, and the square root of 676 is already we have found, that is 26. So this much work you have to do for one question, is it? Let us see question number 3.3. Here you have given a number. One 6160. So we'll just get the square root of this. Make pair. 1 1s are 1. 61 is coming down. So double of 1 is 2. I'll place 2. 24. It's 24. 24. 5 is a hide one digit and just read 24 6. 6 is just, you see, 6 6 are 36. 6 4s are 24 and 3 27. 6 2s are 12 and 2 14. Just place 7, you see what does it give? 7 7s are. Just let us see in 7 what does it give? See 7. Replace 7. 7 7s are 49. 7 4s are 28 and 4 32. 7 2s are 14 and 3 17. Yes, so it will be 7 here. So we'll just subtract 10 minus 9 1. 5 minus 2 3. So the least number must be subtracted from 16160 to make it perfect square is 31. Obtained square number 16160 minus 31 9 2 161, and the square root of 16129 is 127. So this we have to do. We have to find the square root. Then we have to see the remainder that is subtracted to make it a perfect square. Is it, my dear? Let us see question number 6. We have a number 390700. Get the square root of it. Okay. Now 6 6 are 36. 3. The 07 is coming down. Double. 2 ja. Next 0. 124. Now hide 1, hide 2. 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 4s are 20 and 2 22. 5 2s are 10 and 2 12. 5 1s are 5 and 6. So this is 75. So least number must be subtracted from 390700 to make it perfect square is equal to 75. Square root of 3907, sorry, octant square number 390700 minus 75, 390625, and square root of 390625 is 1625. Like this we do question number 3. Okay, we get the remainder and then that is subtracted. Next it says what should be added, is it? So in that case also we have to find the square root. Then we have to see what should be added. So let us see question number 4. One 425. So we'll get the square root of 425. 2 2s are 4. 25. So I cannot place 1 also, so this will be 20. I'll place 0 and multiply with 0, so this gives you 0. So the remainder is 25. Now what do you see? This 425 is greater than the square of 20. Is it? There is a 25 remainder. I have two options. I can remove this 25 and make it a perfect square. But I cannot remove it. Is it, my dear? They have not asked us to subtract. They have asked us to what should be added. So what does it mean? 425 is a not square number. It is lying between the square of 20. It is greater than the square of 20 and less than the square of 21. So I have to add something. So if I add something, it would be the square of 21. So what is the square of 21? So required numbers should be added. I have to make it the next square. No, I cannot remove 25. In question number 3, we were removing. So we were going to the previous square. Now here I have to go to the next square. So required number should be added to 425 to make it perfect square. Is equal to 21's square minus 425. So 21's square we know that is 441 minus 425. So what does we need to add? We need to add 16. So the required number should be added to 425 to make it perfect square is 16. Is it? Let us see question number 5 from here. 4's 5. The question is 15,120. We'll get the square root of 15,120. 1, 51. 22, 2s are 44. 720. 240. 22s are 6. 236. Now, so the required number should be added to, what does you get? Is the greater than square of 122. The number which is given, that is greater than the square of 122, because you are getting the remainder 236 and smaller than the number of square of 123. The required number should be added to 15,120 to make it perfect square is equal to what will be? Square of 123 minus 15120. Now 123, what does it give you? 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 and 123. 9, 6, 6, 12, 3 3, 6 and 4 10 and 1 11. So 15129 minus 15120 is equal to 9 should be added to make it a perfect square. Is it, my dear? So this is the way. Question 3 and 4 is quite similar. In question number 3, the remainder what we had we need to subtract. And in question number 4, we have to find the next square number and from their square we have to subtract the given number. Hope you can solve the leftover sums from question number 3 and 4. Next day we will be solving next exercise, not next sums, not next exercise, question number 5 and all. Till then keep practicing, and if there is any doubt you can ask me in comment box. Thank you, dears.